So today I want to take care of an issue that occurred shortly after I dug a trench in my backyard to install a French drain because it was at a low point in the backyard, and because of that I had to reseed the area and give it a lot of water, and consequently we have some nutsedge that has appeared, and we're going to go ahead and take care of that today. So let's get our materials together and let's get started. Okay, so here's what we're going to use to tackle this nutsedge issue that I have in the backyard. This is sedge hammer. I got it from domyown.com. You can get it in these small packages that cover 1,000 square feet, or you can get it in a bottle that costs significantly more to cover more area if you have more of it in your yard. So like I said, this little package cost I think $9 or $10, and got it from Do My Own. And as you can see, it's an easy process. We just pour it into a gallon of water, we'll mix it up, and we'll spray it. One thing I noticed when I was reading the instructions online was it said to wait 2 days after you mow before you apply, and then 2 days after you apply before you mow again. So we've got a short window here, especially when I'm mowing twice a week, to apply this and make sure that it takes. We may have to do another application, and I have another one of these packets ready just in case we need to do that. One more thing I like about sedge hammer is that it has a surfactant included in it, so you don't have to worry about adding your own surfactant. It's already there ready to go. You just put it in your pump sprayer, mix it up so it dilutes, because this small packet is a granule, and you're good to go. So one of the things that you want to understand about nutsedge is that it's quite temperamental. You don't want to pull it out of the grass, because when you do, you will never get the entire thing out. You're always going to get part of it, and what's left behind is going to get upset, and it's going to grow, and it's going to come back even thicker, and it's going to come back in multiples, and the problem is just going to get bigger and bigger for you until you just have a big patch of nutsedge, and then you're going to need more treatments. I have a neighbor down the street that just put in a lawn this year, and there's tons of it in the backyard, and he keeps mowing over it, and it keeps growing, and I drove by it today. I'll see if I can get a good video of it to see how bad it's gotten. It's looking pretty bad. So we should have results in about 10 days or so for that. So we'll have to do a follow-up video and make sure that we're getting the results that we want. And if we need to apply another application, we'll go ahead and do that as well. and we should hopefully get this eradicated from the lawn, because we definitely don't want that. We want that nice Kentucky bluegrass and nothing else to take over. So with that, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.